Hi, I'm Matt with Tom's Off-Road. Today we're going to be tearing the exhaust off of this stock Bronco, turning the purr into a roar. All this stuff is pretty fresh, so it shouldn't be anything too difficult to take off. I am going to put some lubricant on some of the bushings just to make them a little easier to slide off. We'll be reusing some of this. Very simple install. Basically, one bolt we're going to be taking off, pull the hangers off, get the new exhaust put on, and we'll see how it fits. Here's a new Bold Performance. The removal of the old exhaust was very straightforward, and the install is going to be just as easy. Slip it onto the fitting, we'll get the insulators attached, clamp it down, and we'll see how this thing sounds.